Welcome back, ladies and gents. Some of you have been asking if I can give you a quick tour of my back garden. So here we go. There's the shed with clematis up each side, ready for flowering. As you can see, until it's autumn, it needs a damn good tidy up. The borders reach right round to get to the greenhouse, which is coming down this winter. It's another project. See, lawn and borders all the way around. We get back to the shed with the roses. This is what I'm going to be doing today, is weeding and getting these ready for my plants for next year. As you can see, this is already self-seeded, so what I might try and do is just weed around the poppies and move these foxgloves one at the back. Trim the clematis, so peony, which also needs pruning back to ground level. And in the corner, beautiful pampas grass. So this is my garden, as you can see, all the way around. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, bye.